Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to complete the background check for your Skip the Dishes account. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Skip the Dishes application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. And after opening up the application guys, go ahead and log into your account. So after logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the main page of Skip the Dishes where you can see all the restaurants that you have near you. So guys, now what we want to do to be able to complete our background check is to go ahead and apply to be a delivery driver. And we're going to go ahead and guys and do that by clicking our profile icon in the upper right corner. Click on that guys, and this will now open up this new menu where we can see all of our settings for our profile. So we want to scroll down guys until we find this option right here that says become a courier. So guys, go ahead and click on that, and this will take you to this new web page where you can go ahead and sign up to become a delivery driver. So guys, go ahead and log into this page, and after logging in guys, this will take you to the next steps that you need to complete so that you can go ahead and become a delivery driver, and one of those is going to be a background check. So it will look like something like this guys, where you will be able to see you have onboarding steps where you have to pay to complete the background check, and after doing that guys, go ahead and they will contact you in a couple of days and you can become a delivery driver. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.